Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with BNZ. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. Starting now with news, the eyes of the financial world are now on the US Federal Reserve. Tomorrow morning about this time, it will come out with its latest statement on monetary policy. Now, we won't see any big changes in the official cash rate there, or the federal funds rate as they call it, because it's almost near zero. The question is, will the Federal Reserve engage in a second round of money printing, so-called QE2, Quantitative Easing 2? A couple of ways it could do it. It could buy back bonds in the mortgage bond market, or it could buy US Treasury bonds, effectively monetising the US government's deficit. Either way, there are fears that the US dollar, the reserve currency for the world, could be weakened, because essentially you're seeing printing of money out of nothing. Now that's a worry for the US economy, the world's largest. And everyone now will be watching what happens there. The New Zealand dollar has been reasonably strong in the last couple of days, as the US dollar has been weak against most currencies. It's currently sitting at 72.9 US cents. Now back closer to home, Allied Farmers announced late yesterday it had suspended its equity issue to raise up to $19 million. Essentially, Allied Farmers now is in the hands of the trustee for Allied Nationwide, its finance company. October the 12th, the end of the current government deposit guarantee scheme, is the key date. The trustee may well be looking for triggers to put Allied Nationwide into receivership before then. And finally, mortgage rates are on the move again. Last week we saw ASB increase its floating rate and cut some of its fixed rates, and now Westpac, ANZ and TSB have all moved the same, although TSB moved by 30 basis points its floating rate, not the 25 that everyone else and the Reserve Bank had moved. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with BNZ.